Good morning, all of you. Welcome to our channel, that is Solid Master. So today in our session, we will start a new session in SolidWorks, that is static nodal stress. Here we will done simulation of this component to check whether where is the maximum force applied, where it will occur. So in this session, I will show you how to use this simulation in SolidWorks. I hope you got it. So let's start. Select here part. Okay. Now our window has been opened here. Click on front plane sketch and make sure your units will be mmgs, that is millimeter gram second. So for that I will go here options, then I will go here document properties, units. Our unit will be mmgs as per I told you, millimeter gram second. Click on here OK. Now use here line command. Select line. Now click here on this origin point. Draw the line, vertical line, after that horizontal. First I will make the rough sketch of our part or component. I will define this, all the lines, all the entities. So for that, go here smart dimension, apply the dimension. First I will define the vertical line, that is 45 mm. It shows me here inch, so I will check again in document properties, mmgs. Okay. In latest version it happens. So make sure you will check the unit first, and after that you will apply the smart dimensions in your entity. Now again smart dimension I will apply here for horizontal entity, make it 11 mm. Again click on smart dimension here, select this entity, make it 15. Now for the full length I will select here this line and this line, make it 95 mm. So here as you see our entities have moved because it is underdefined. So for that I will choose here, go to here display delete relations, arrow, select here add relation, select this line and this vertical line, and make sure it will be on vertical like this. Vertical it is there, so make it parallel. Okay, I have not applied here dimension again, so I will use here smart dimension, select this line and this bigger line, make it 11 mm. Okay, now check again, I will select this under defined point. Okay, it shows me that it is not in symmetric. So for that, I will choose here center line. Go to center line in line command. Select this point. Right click, select. So now I will again here add relation, or you can simply choose PTRL, press PTRL button, click this point and this center line. So I have got here add relation in design tree, that is symmetric. I will select this command and look, we have fully defined our geometry. Now I will go to exit and I will select here extrude boss. The entity has been selected here. I will make here depth as 25 mm depth. Or you can reduce this depth also in 20 mm like this. Otherwise I will make here 25 mm here, and the direction will be from mid plane. Click on OK. So now our component has been made here. Now I will go here simulation. If you have not here simulation in your command manager, you can simply go here options, select here option scroll down button, go here add in and tick here Solidworks simulation. First tick this point and after that click this point and click on OK. So it will automatically open the simulation in command manager in SolidWorks. So I will go here in simulation. Now I will choose here new study. Go to here new study. And here you can see all the general simulations we can do here. One by one I will show you how to use this. So in our first session I will show here static simulation of test. You can name it here. I will name it static steel structure, static structure steel, whatever the name you want. Click on OK. Now here it shows me to define the material. So I will choose here in simulation apply material. And here all the materials come. This is by default in SolidWorks. So which material you want you can choose. Like I am choosing here as cast alloy. Here the properties of the material is available in SolidWorks by default. Now click on OK, apply here. Or first I will change here unit. It is in Newton per meter square. So I will make it Newton per mm square. OK. Click on apply. Close. Now our material has been applied here. See here I have chosen here cast alloy steel in our part. So now for the simulation I will go to here in fixtures. It is there present in picture advisor in simulation. You can go here also, or just in design tree, select this picture, right click and go to fix geometry. So I will choose this surface for my fixed geometry here. Click on OK. Click on external load. So I will select here force. Right click on external load and click on force. Now here it shows me select the faces or edges I want. So I will select this face. So this is normal. That means it is in perpendicular direction. So if you want another direction, you can select here selected direction. So it will show me the edge only. So I will select this edge. Now for the force, I will select here, go to on force. I will type here 200 Newton. Now the parameters I have set here for this simulation. I will click on OK. Now fixed geometry and the force is applied in surface. Now for the test, I will select here run this study. It is calculating, so it takes some time. So as you see here, our simulation has been run. It shows me the graph of this our how much force is applied on it. So if you see here, this red color portion, this is the weak part of this component. It shows more force in this component. This is a red mark. So if I want to run this, I will go to here stress, right click on stress and go to here animation. See, it is running. So I will choose here frame, stop this one and make it 10 seconds frame and play. So it shows me how much deformation has been made here. If I want to change here something, I can make the changes in this by clicking on right click on force item, right click edit definition. I will choose here reverse direction, click on OK. So it will go on upper direction now. Same here, the weak point of this component has been shown. If we apply here more results, run this study. So it goes upward. Again I will play. So we don't need connections here to this geometry. It is for nuts and spring. Now, if we want to make it in original position, we can do this by clicking on Edit Definition. Yeah. Double click on Stress Plot and select the screw scale and click on OK. Here it comes in original position. Again for that I will choose here Newton per mm square. It shows me in Newton per meter square. So I will make it on display, stress plot, display. Yes. Now OK. So our session is completed. If you like our channel then please subscribe it so that we can make more projects for you in SolidWorks and any other software. Soon we will upload a Python video also in our channel. So guys, thank you for watching this. Bye.